Happy Sunday! Today we are headed out on a bit of an adventure. We're taking a day trip from Buenos Aires to an area called Tigre. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Claire Hawkins. I'm a traveling musician and I'm currently living here in Argentina. I'm super excited for this trip today. I've heard that there are boat tours you can do, there's a market, I think there's a museum, lots to explore, so we're gonna head out together. But first we have to catch the train from Buenos Aires to Tigre, which should take just about an hour. Most people, I think, when they head to Tigre, catch the train from Retiro, because that's kind of the main train station here. But I live closer to Belgrano C, so that's where I am. And it's also right by Chinatown. I'm gonna grab a quick snack for the train because I have about 10 minutes. The train is every 15 minutes, so I did just miss one, but it's not a long wait. Made it here to Tigre. The train ride was nice and fast. It was about 45 minutes or maybe even slightly less from Belgrano C. And now we are here, and I have read that the way to know that you're headed in the right direction is to walk towards the McDonald's. Also good to note that the ticket for the train was 100 pesos, which is a fraction of a dollar. I think it's like 12 or 13 cents.
It feels a little bit heavy, like I'm told it should. I was a little unready, didn't know if I could.
The first stop of the day here in Tigre is the Puerto de Frutos, which is a big waterfront market. So I think we're gonna do some shopping.
With everything and nothing holding me here, now I'm making plans for the rest of the year.
I gotta say, I'm really kind of blown away by the size of this market. Obviously, I've been to San Telmo market and Recoleta market, but this one, I don't know, I wasn't expecting this size.
And everyone is saying it's not a choice that I need to make. It's just a voice pointing out everything that's at stake.
I don't know if you can tell by the blinding sun, but it is hot out today. It's in the high 80s, I think in the 30s in Celsius. I think it's time for a sit down and a cold drink. I've replenished the energy a bit, and now it is time for the next thing on the agenda, which I am so excited about. We are gonna go on a boat tour of the Tigre River Delta. There are lots of different companies here that do these boat tours. You can also find private boat tours. We're gonna go for a group tour. It's obviously more affordable, but also we're excited to be, you know, around other people traveling here. And ideally, we'd like to find a tour in English, but we don't know how easy that's gonna be. And, you know, always a good time to practice my Spanish. So we'll see what the options are. All right, we have found our boat tour for the day. It's right here, it's called Nat Venture. Our tickets were about 5,000 pesos, which may be more than some other boat rides here, but this one is an hour and 15 minutes instead of only an hour, and they play their tour in both Spanish and English. So I think it's gonna be perfect.
He talks a little bit to me like I wished he would.
Somehow we've managed to secure the seat at the very, very front of the boat. I'm so excited.
He sees a little bit through me where the walls once stood.
The tour recording just told us that we just passed by a house that used to belong to one of the presidents of Argentina, and he is actually very well known for starting the public education system here. So the house is now a museum, which is very cool to see.
With everything and nothing pouring out my lips, now that it's not broken, I can look for
I really feel like all the houses that we're seeing here are so different from each other. Some of them are super modern, some are huge, some are small, some look like little cottages. They're all really beautiful, but they're so different from each other.
And everyone is saying it's not a choice that I need to make. It's just a voice pointing out everything that's at stake.
I'm really enjoying learning more about how the community here lives. And my latest favorite fun fact of this tour is that there is an ambulance boat, a plant nursery boat, a grocery store boat, and of course, an ice cream boat.
No one I know is gonna show me the way, but I know staying put is still choosing to stay.
We just passed by the gorgeous art museum here in Tigre. It currently is a public museum that hosts both national and international art, but it originally was built to be a social club for the upper class. The building is beautiful and you can definitely go visit. I don't know if I'll get to today, but I would love to come back and go inside.
I've learned to ignore the way. Not all
On behalf of this tour, we thank you for coming and we hope you have enjoyed this
to numb
video.
the pain. I can bear it pushing down on me.
The boat tour just ended and the sun is still very bright, so it is time for ice cream. The boat tour was a ton of fun. The guided tour element of it was kind of minimal. There were a few fun facts kind of interspersed throughout, which I really appreciated. But for the most part, we just got to kind of see this really beautiful part of the country.
It's only a little bit heavy.
This ice cream is a chocolatey dulce de leche-y mess, and it couldn't be more delicious.
It's not a choice that I need to make. It's just a voice pointing out everything that's at stake. No one I know is gonna show me the way.
As we're passing by this statue, I realize there's one important fun fact that I have to share with you before we leave Tigre, which is the name Tigre. You might think there were maybe tigers here. Nope, but there were jaguars, hence the jaguar statue. And apparently the European settlers who came here confused the jaguars for tigers and the name stuck, which is kind of hilarious.
But I know staying put is still choosing to stay.
What a day. I'm back now at my accommodation in Buenos Aires. I had so much fun today, so thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video gave you some ideas. If you're planning a trip to Buenos Aires or a day trip to Tigre, I highly recommend it. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and you can check out all my other Argentina videos on my channel now. If you liked the music in this video, it is as always one of my originals, which you can find anywhere you get music online by searching Claire Hawkins, or of course I've linked it below in the video description. Thanks again so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.
I'm working on my foreign